Welcome to the project demonstration of smart irrigation system with the help of GSM. So in this project we are going to control this motor with the help of SMS and also we will get the SMS alerts to our mobile phone. So whenever the fire detected as well as moisture level is low and temperature is high. So based on these three parameters we are going to get the SMS alerts as well as the status will be displayed on the LCD and also the buzzer will be indicated through the audible alerts. And also parallelly we can control the irrigation motor, this AC motor, by sending SMS of MON, all are small letters, MON and MOFF, M motor on and motor off to control this. And as well as we will get the temperature alert, that is monitored by the LM35, and fire alert and moisture level. So these three parameters also monitored continuously and the status displayed on the LCD. So let us see the demonstration and after we will explain the pin connections. So this is the power supply for the whole circuits and this is the power supply for the motor. So before switching on the main motherboard, we need to insert a valid SIM card into this GSM slots, and that should be Vodafone I or Airtel or BSNL other than the Geo, and it should have the validity and SMS balance also. And after that, listen clearly from here. Give the power supply and hold the switch. Hold the switch till the GSM will get the signal. So you see here the particular light will on and off fast, blinking at a duration of 1 second. Right, now it is slow down. So till that time you should hold this reset switch. This is the reset switch holding that. So what means, so it will get the signal. So before getting the signal it's blink fast, and after got the signal it's blink slowly. So based on that you need to release the switch. So why? Because so if you release the microcontroller initially, then it will start sending the AT commands to the GSM modem. So that should be done after getting the signal only. So here the welcome message on the screen and the temperature continuously monitoring. So let us see. I am increasing the temperature now. Right. So the buzzer will be on, as well as we will get the SMS alerts. Right. So we got the SMS alerts. Alert, high temperature. So we got the another same SMS, high alert, alert, high temperature. And next, if is there any fire detected, so just blow the fire with the help of lighter. So then same fire detected will be displayed on the LCD screen and we'll get the SMS alerts to the same number. So in order to register your number, just you need to send a SMS, any SMS. So just now I sent before an SMS help to this number. So alerts, fire detected, done. And coming to this moisture, whenever the moisture level is low, so on the LCD it will display that moisture level is low, and also the light indicated on the sensor, and we'll get the moisture level low. So in order to change your number, just reply to the SIM card. So let us see, I want to on the motor, so you can send the MON also. So just I'm sending the SMS as we discussed, MON, motor on. So sending SMS, so it will be received by the GSM modem and particular relay will get switched on once the message was decoded by the PIC microcontroller. Right, you can listen that the motor getting on. So when we place this motor in a bucket and connect a pipe to this, then automatically the water will be pumping and also we'll get the reply. Right, motor got switched on. Now I want to off the motor. All are small letters, it's very important, MOFF. So those who send this SMS also, that particular number will be stored inside the microcontroller, and from there on then onwards the particular person will receive these kind of alerts. Right, the motor got switched off. So coming to these connections, so parallel will get the SMS alerts, and so here you are using the SIM 800, which is a quad band GSM modem, and the particular modem interface jet B0 B1 pin of our PIC 16F876A microcontroller, so which is of 28 pin. And next, this is the reset switch, as we discussed about it initially. And this steel coated one is crystal oscillator in order to provide the 20 megahertz of clock frequency. And from this adapter, as we discussed, this one take the 230 volts input, and output is going to be the 5 volts constant regulated power supply. Though we are providing the DC power supply, so what is the purpose of this capacitor? That means, so though we are providing regular power supply, then meantime while working, controlling the on-off relay and all, so then there will be chances of to get the ripples. So then the microcontroller will get restart. In order to remove that, we are making use of this 1000 microfarad capacitor. And next, coming to the LCD, interfaced at B2 to B7, and moisture sensor interfaced at the A4, and fire sensor C3, and buzzer and LED both are interfaced to that one pin, that is the C4. And coming to this relay board, so on this relay board we are using the electromagnetic relay, which is operated voltage is 5 volts, and there will be one LED with 330 ohm resistor. So the purpose of the LED, just it will indicate the relay status, whether it is on state or on off state. And coming to this diode, so whenever the relay is getting on and off, so as usually here also the relay consists of a copper coil. So whenever we switching off the around the relay, then the copper coil is starting, induced EMF will be generated back. So in order to neutralize that, we connected the diode in reverse bias. Okay, and coming to this buzzer board, so this is a piezoelectric buzzer, and the transistor is used to on and off this buzzer. Means the microcontroller will on the transistor will switch on the buzzer. Okay, so here the flow is like, after providing the power supply, we should hold the switch, and after got the signal, release the switch. And from that moment, the microcontroller start reading the four things. So that is 3 sensors data and SMS, whether is there a new SMS received from the user end to control the motor. So like this, we are going to control and monitor the environmental parameters surroundingly, like field parameters, right? Thank you.